Plastic. The term plastic is derived from the Greek word plastikos, which means fit for molding. Plastics are organic polymers of high molecular mass. They are usually synthetic and derived from petrochemicals. It can change its shape. Some can be shaped only when they are freshly made. Then they become hard. Others can be changed by heating or even by melting. Plastics are organic material just like wood, paper, or wool. First and most, we must know the structure of plastic. Basically, plastics are made of linear polymers and closed-link polymer. Linear polymer. The simplest polymer is a linear polymer. Linear polymer is simply a chain in which all of the monomers exist. Linear polymer is a long, continuous chain of carbon-carbon bond with the remaining two valence bonds attached primarily to hydrogen or another relatively small hydrocarbon moiety. One of the examples of linear polymer is PVC. Closed-link polymer. The polymer form long chain, either branch or linear, that can be formed covalent bond between the polymer molecules. Because closed-link polymers form covalent bond, the result is a stronger and more stable material. One of the examples of closed-link polymer is nitrile rubber. Types of plastics. Basically, we are going to cover two types of plastic. They are thermoplastics and thermoset plastic. Thermoplastics. Thermoplastic is a material, usually plastic polymer, which becomes more soft when heated and hard when cooled. Thermoplastic materials can be cooled and heated several times without any change in their chemical or mechanical properties. When thermoplastics are heated to their melting point, they melt to be a liquid. Examples of thermoplastic are polyethylene, polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, polyamides, polyesters. Thermoset plastics. Thermosetting plastics are made from heavy cross-link polymers. Once the cross-links form, these polymers take on a shape that cannot be changed without destroying the plastic. They are used when resistance to heat is important. Common examples of thermoplastic and polymers include epoxy, silicon, phenolic. Next, we are going to cover the difference between thermoplastics and thermoset plastics. Thermoplastics are softer on heating, but thermosetting plastics are not softer on heat. Thermoplastics are expensive, but in the case of thermoset plastic, they are cheap. Thermoplastic can be remolded, but thermoset plastic can't be remolded. Thermoplastics are soluble in organic solvent, but in the case of thermosetting plastic, they are insoluble in organic solvent. Example of thermoplastic is polythene. Example of thermoset plastic is bakelite.